Okay. Motorcycle. We'll wait. Okay. So I've been thinking a lot. Dangerous, I know. But so do you guys follow Fun Cheaper Free? So last year she did this, like, I think she called it shelftember, and I don't know if she's doing it this year or not, but I bet our family is going to do shelftember. And if you don't know what it is, I'm going to throw a link up in the cards to her video from last year. She'll explain like everything. But pretty much you use what you already have. You allow yourself like $25 a week. I'm doing more of like $100 this whole month, because sometimes we need a lot more in a week and sometimes we don't. But I will show you what our pantry like looks like right now, and then each week, probably on Saturdays this month, I'm going to do an update, tell you how we did, a grocery haul, and show you an update of what our fridge and freezer look like. Hopefully we'll be able to save some money and use up what we already have. This is what our pantry looks like at the start of this challenge. So we've got cereal and like a ton of tuna. So if you have any ideas of how to use tuna, please let me know. Yoshida's. It's chocked full. Like seriously, like that is like the only room in our entire pantry. It's not very big, but it's big enough for our family. So that's what it looks like on week 1. I'll show you what our fridge looks like. Okay, so this is our fridge. I just finished meal prepping. I'll link the video. This is what our fridge looks like, week 1. It's not like too full, but it's full enough. Got a ton of condiments over here that I need to clean out, and like chicken and stuff. So that's our fridge. And then our freezer, which is like, oh my goodness, we can't fit anything else in here. These are so yummy, just so you know. If you're doing Weight Watchers, they're like 5 points. So good. Anyways, so we've got pasta sauce and beans and lots of veggies, and who knows what this is. We'll figure it out. Waffles, French fries. So that's what it looks like on week 1. This is grocery haul week number 1 of shelftember. Okay, so I went to 2 different stores. I went to our Kroger affiliate. Is that how you say it here in Colorado? It's King Soopers. And then I also went to Sprouts. So all of the produce is from Sprouts, and then everything else is from King Soopers. So I got 2 bell peppers, 3 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 4 apples, a bunch of bananas, because our 1-year-old goes for bananas like they're candy. I got a package of strawberries. I think that's all I got from Sprouts. And then from King Soopers, I got 2 packages of hot dogs for Labor Day on Monday. They were 99 cents. And then 2 packages of hot dog buns. They were 99 cents as well. And then I got 5 boxes of cereal, which is a little excessive for shelftember, but they were 99 cents a box, which is like unheard of, especially for Captain Crunch. So we got the new sprinkled donut crunch, which looks super healthy. And then 2 boxes of Oops All Berries, 1 box of Life. Seriously, what is with this motorcycle outside? My goodness. 1 box of Life, and then 1 box of Peanut Butter Crunch. And then I got 2 cans of corn because we were out, and then 2 cans of sliced olives, which, guys, have you noticed that like olives are like super expensive now? Or is it just me? Okay, and then I got goldfish were on sale too, and that's one of my kids' like favorite snacks. So I got 3 of the little bags. One of my daughters loves these little pink ones. And then I got Parmesan, and then there's this other pack that was like mixed, like cheddar and something else, I don't remember. But I just pour out the bags into little snack bags so they last longer. So I got quite a few bags for school snack or after school snack or like lunch or something. So that was good. They were 99 cents for those little bags. So all in all, I spent about $40. Oh, I almost forgot. In my grocery haul, I also bought another box of these Outshine, no sugar added popsicles. I love them, especially on Weight Watchers. They are 1 point per popsicle, and it's like the perfect thing for at the end of the day. So that was also included in my $40 grocery haul. Oh my goodness, I forgot these two. So I bought 1 bag of these, they're like skinny little tater tots. And also I bought the potatoes Orion that I used in my meal prep video. So those were also included in my grocery haul this week.